What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. This is S1K Tito, back at you with yet another YouTube video. I've been gone for a good amount of time, but as you can see, as you can read from the title, man, I built a little business that I've been, pretty much grinding for about like 2-3 years, I want to say now, and slowly it's starting to pay off. I got a new little truck, I got a new little toy. I don't have the S1000 no more, as a lot of people do know and a lot of people don't know. But yeah, I got a little business that I pretty much built up from the ground up, and I want to pretty much fill you guys in, give you guys pretty much a day in the life of what I go through every day, and what I do pretty much for work now. I used to do AC. A lot of people used to know I used to do AC, and yeah, but times changed, and we do a lot of different things now. But as you can see, we are in a new mobile, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is, but I do want to show you guys whenever we get to the next client. But yeah, all right guys, so we just got done with the first detail. First detail was a Raptor, Ford Raptor, super clean, came out super nice. Pretty much our silver package inside and out, nothing special, but she came out super clean. And now we're gonna head out to our second client of the day. This right here puts us at $150 for the day. But yeah, look how clean it looks. Came out super nice. Let me get a nice B-roll shot real quick.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me.
Y'all see it? But yeah, guys, we are our second wash of the day. We got the live running right here. We got people asking us questions. No te quedan manchas del sol. Yo uso agua de Dionyze, bro. So no, it's clean water, bro. You know what I mean? But right here, we're doing this STO. Beautiful, beautiful STO. Gonna get some B-roll shots real quick, so be right back.
So give me a run for my money.
All right, guys. So we just got done detailing this beautiful, beautiful Lamborghini STO. And yeah, guys, like I said, this is the type of cars that I detail now. It's been pretty cool, I started this maybe like 2020, and it's been going good, gladly. But yeah, as you can see, those are the cars I kind of detail on a daily basis. Here and there, we get more than one a week. I mean, here and there, we get more than one a day. But we do like at least one a day, man. I don't know if it's gonna stay right there, but yeah, guys, like I said, we're heading out onto our next wash, next detail right now. I actually got one of my boys that also does detailing. He is actually on the way to one of my other jobs because I'm not gonna be able to get to him. So he's actually on the way there right now, and then by the time he gets there, I probably am already over there at the other one. I want y'all to see, like, this is yesterday, a BMW X5, Raekwon Davis TRX, NFL player, Raekwon Davis Maybach. We did another Maybach, I didn't get pictures of that. I got pictures, but not to post on the story. Raptor R in the morning, and then Lamborghini STO. Damn! But yeah, guys, anything is possible, I started this from zero. Like, I mean, I told my friends that I wanted to do a detailing business, and some of them supported it and some of them laughed at it. And then, now I'm generating no less than at least $600-700 a day. If I'm working, I'm making at least $600-700 a day, and that's profit. Revenue, you're making like a band a day. You're easily making like $1,000 a day. If you have the right clients, you're making good enough money. But yeah, guys, I gotta stay hydrated out here. Got a little Monster. Y'all see how low that truck is? Fried. Alright, guys, and now I'm done with my third one of the day. It's one of my good clients at my boy Curtis from 33 Tattoo, Texas. He has 2 locations, a Montgomery location and a Houston, Texas location. There is his number, Instagram for both locations, and he just got this super sick F1, no, F350, my bad. Super crazy. And yeah. Truck came out looking fantastic. Did the wheels and everything. And then we also did the interior, of course. Nice little refresh on the interior. You know. Nice. But yeah. We did the whole truck. Made it look brand new. Now we're on the way to our fourth one. This one is $250 just for one, just for the truck. It's a bigger truck, so I do charge a little more. But yeah, we're on the way to our last wash. All right, guys, I'm about done pretty much with this Lamborghini Revuelto. I'm sorry, guys, I haven't picked up the camera. I was running a little bit late here, so I was trying to get done. But this is another one that we just did today. And then we have the Z06 to do right now. He's about to leave in this one, so I had to get a little bit of time. Pretty much to hurry. But we got it done in the time that he needs to go. This thing is super, super sick. But yeah, guys, like I said, man, this is what I do for a living, man. I was just trying to update you guys of what I do for a living now. We detail crazy looking cars like this for a living now. But yeah, let me start off with the Z06, and then I'll pretty much show y'all the results in that one. And then I have probably one more, or I think my buddy just got done with the shampooing that I was telling you guys, so he might go knock that one out. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, let me get done real quick. All right, guys, so now we just got done with the Z06. This car looks super sick, if you ask me. So yeah, guys, we just got done with the Z06. Super, super clean car. Look at it. Sheesh. And as you can see, he has a Mustang over there. That thing's twin turboed. But yeah, guys, just got done with this. Pretty much the last one of the day. My boy Rocky is actually out there doing some details for me. Actually, let's give him a call. Looking like he's not gonna answer. In the meantime, y'all can admire this beautiful, beautiful Z06 that I just detailed.
You at? I'm right here, bro, already.
Shit, my boy just got done with the detail that I sent him to go do. Helping me out.
Sir.
How'd it come out, bro?
Awesome, bro. 10 out of 10.
Definitely.
Check the inside. Wheels got dressed.
Everything.
Clean, fully clean. With the rig. Now check the inside.
Look at the inside,
fully
guys.
Clean. The floor mats got dressed, cleaned as well. Oil and finish.
Exactly.
Quick little blow, vacuum wipe down. Got it
Yes,
done.
sir. While we out here getting it done, my boy's still getting it done over there. You feel me? Day in the life as detailers. But as you can see, guys, that's pretty much what I do pretty much now. Today wasn't pretty much like one of those more cooler days. The days that I get more, crazy looking cars and stuff like that. Not every day is like this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But on the weekends, my weekends are always crazy. My weekends are mostly nice trucks, nice looking cars like this, like the weekend cars. You know what I mean? But don't get me wrong. Monday to Wednesday, we'll be doing regular cars, minivans, like the daily drivers and stuff like that. So you don't always get the experience to doing cool cars when you get into this business, but I honestly love it. I wouldn't change it for anything else. And yeah, bro. But yeah, guys, I really enjoy what this is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's definitely different type of content. I haven't gotten into the car scene in a good minute. This is my car scene now. I get to enjoy these crazy looking cars every other day and stuff like that. Like, today we did 2 Lambos, a Corvette Z06, we did a Raptor, we did a crazy looking dually, but you know what I mean. And we made, let's see how much we made. Hold on, let me text my client back because he needs to let me out. So let's see how much I made today. Alrighty. We made $810, and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles, and we made $810. So that's a lot of money, you know, for to do just, you know, in a day. I started at 6 in the morning. I'm done today at 6 p.m. I'm probably get home like around 7. And I'm alone. I am fully alone today. I didn't have a helper, and that is not including the other 2 details that my buddy went to go do for me, because I pretty much made gas money on those details, because he went to go do them alone, so I'm paying him pretty much like how much he charges and just a little bit of discount since it's my boy, and he's just helping me out. But you know, that's pretty much. I'm not even counting those. So if I would have counted those, I'd be like probably like another $100, so $910. But we're not gonna count those because that's pretty much the gas that I waste. Today I filled up my gas tank, and we are at 45 miles to eat. So meaning I will put another $60 into the truck right now. So that's $120 wasted on gas today, and that's, you know what I mean. That's just as simple as that. Today I was all over the place. I don't waste this much gas sometimes. Most of the time I waste probably, I go maybe, I want to say a full tank will last me maybe 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Today I was all over the place. I'm from Houston, so today I was all over the place. Today, guys, I was all over the place. I'm from Houston, so today I hit all the way Rosenberg. I hit Pasadena. I hit, not Pasadena, Baytown. So it was Rosenberg, Baytown, and all right, he's letting me go. So Rosenberg, Baytown. I'm back south here again. So I started in Rosenberg. Now I'm back over here. We were up north. You know, so I was all over the place, and my tire I had a blowout yesterday on my truck. So I basically had to go pick up my tire. I just didn't want to be riding around in the donut with a donut, my bad. So I went to go pick up my tire, and you know, that's probably why I wasted a little bit of more gas and a little bit more time. But you know, not bad. You know, I really don't think that's bad. But yes, sir, we made it back home. Finally made it home. But yeah, guys, like I said, this will be more of the content that we will be doing now on this channel. Is little day in the life as a detailer, day in the life as Tito, and stuff like that. If we ever do stuff to the truck, y'all will basically be the first ones to see it again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And S1K Tito signing out.